when you sign up for the advanced class, I will show you more. Okay, what else? Okay, address. Address 7 Lawansin, Lagos, Nigeria. There's many concepts for business card, but I'll just be showing you this. There are so many concepts for business cards, so pardon my, so I don't want to bore you with more design, so I'm going to show you some things. Hope you are following me. Alright, what else? Email address. Let's say best concept point at gmail.com. Okay, .com. Okay, best concept at gmail.com. Okay, let me tweak it more. Now, as a basic designer, I can't show you all the tricks because you have to start slow and steady. You can't just get everything at once. You have to know that because you are just learning, so you can't just know everything at once. You have to first master the art first. I hope you understand that. So you can't just be good at everything and just at once like that. You have to master it. You have to master it. You have to master it. Okay. I can actually say that this is a business card with just simple information. You don't have to tell us it's a business card using MTN as my case study. So this is a business card. Now back to letterhead. Let me just show you the last for this free graphics class letterhead. After the letterhead, okay, let me show you again. You come to your shape to regular to you, pick it, then you have to drag the shape you want. You center it. When you center it, okay, the thing you can do here, let me bring out this. Okay, just follow. Let me bring out some stuffs here so I can use here. Alright, so just follow, do same to power clip, and it comes edit. You can actually expand it to get what you want. Okay, so MTN Nigeria, okay. Now, most of the time we use icon for all these things. Icon for all these phone number, or for phone number, address, and email. We use icon for them, but I will show you more in advanced class. Let me just show you this. It's very easy. I would like you to do same and show me, please. I'd like to see your output. Just show me what you've done. So okay, let's just do this together. Okay, just follow. Alright, just look at what I'm doing. Now this will be like a watermark. I want to put a watermark on letterhead for security reasons, so nobody will be able to forge it or use it without the company consent. You should understand better why we use watermark is to protect our intellectual property, so from being stolen.